Welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk all about mood boards. So in Midjourney, what is a mood board? A mood board is a way that you can teach Midjourney what you like and what you think is beautiful. And so there's a couple ways that you can do that. First is that you can do your global profile. Now, I've gone through and I've ranked pairs, and so far I've done 2,846. And I just kind of do this whenever I get a minute. But you can also create a mood board just by uploading an image, adding a link to something on the web, or do something in your gallery that you've already created in a Midjourney, which is what I have here. I've created a couple mood boards. The limit is 100, and you can use your global profile plus a one other one. You can't do like two at once, like patterns and tigers you couldn't do, but you could do global profile and one of your other mood boards. So let me show you how this works. So let's just say we want to try out tiger, right? So let me type in tiger, and we're going to use our mood board. And what's really fun here is that we can just copy code. And what this does is it automatically puts it in. See, it's right there. And then I just hit go, and it's going to give me a tiger based on the illustration mood board that I have set up. Uh, let's go ahead and do another one where we just do our, I have some tigers, right? So let's go ahead and do tiger, and then let's just do copy code, and let's go that way. And let's just do another one, and we'll do sport logos. And so this is an easy way for you to teach Midjourney what you like, and also create some interesting things because it's more tuned into what you like and how you've done your work. And so you can see the only thing here that I've changed is, of course, the mood boards. This bottom one is illustrations. These are illustrations that I've created. So it's using that idea. I've got mood board tigers. So I've created a lot of tigers over the years, and that's kind of what it's looking at. And this is sport logos. So this is kind of a sport team logo look. And of course, I've got chaos set to 10. This gives me some variety. So anyway, so play around with mood boards, see what you like, see if it can work for you. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. This is a great place to learn how to use Midjourney better if you're a creative professional. It comes out every single week, delivered right to your inbox, all for $12 a month. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.